ये भी
Skill be back. Caste in Bengal and how scavenging caste?
Yeah. See, the manual scavenging communities in Bengal are mostly migrants from Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, and Delhi. And their condition is pathetic. Most of them actually, because Havara was a cantonment town in the British period, the British, wherever they built the cantonment, they took the manual scavenging community with themselves in many places. And in Havara, all these migrant laborers were brought from North India. Now, the conditions of manual scavenger in Bengal is actually shameful, I would say, to say the least, because so many years after the left front government came to power, we had actually a position in the municipalities like new resident Mehitar. In the certificate, that community is called as Mehitar. In fact, Mehitar was a community and not a kind of what you call naming for entire community, because in elsewhere the term Safai Karmacharis were being used, and this was a new term for the people who are working in the municipality. But in Havara, to my utter surprise, I got, and one of my friends was working, and he said his first designation was new resident Mehitar. Now the new resident Mehitar job was to clean toilet and latrine at homes. Now municipalities normally, actually for the last 20 years, when these laws came, they dissociate them from the private cleaning. But in Havara it was being done, that the municipalities were engaging people for the private work also. And even today I can say Havara, one of the filthiest cities I've ever visited in the world, I would say. You can still see in the bylanes manual scavenging. Now one of the why I was angry, and in 2000 I think 3 or 4, there was a huge park in Havara which is called Belilius Park. And the Belilius Park, there was about 7,000–8,000 Valmiki families living. So these communities were Valmikis, Hela, Rawats, from different parts of the country. There were some Muslims also, and they were living in that sanitary work, slowly they will recruit an absentee worker from the community, paying him 500,000 rupees and doing all this job, and just sign the last day and get your salary. So this is absentee manual scavenging now being practiced in most of the municipalities in India, not just in Bengal. And the people are saying that they have changed. I have seen, and in fact I have made a film on it in Uttar Pradesh. The situation is very similar, where the non-manual scavenging community people, they are into this. Most of last year Mayawati actually opened up jobs in UP for manual scavenging community in Panchayat. Most of the people who got into it were non-manual scavenging people. They paid the money, they never clean the streets, and that's good. They recruited, yeah. No, in the villages they don't even do. No. Matlab hi nahi. They are not bothered about cleaning. They go to just in front of the Panchayat. I can say, and it is very shocking, one person who was claiming to be a Buddhist in Kushinagar recruited his son in that, who never goes into work. And some people are complaining me, see, this man is talking about Dalit Bahujan unity, and his own son is into the job. He paid money and got his son into the municipal job. So now, because the job help the party position, and after 1 or 2 years, you get yourself promoted.